Hi everyone. So again, I just want to thank you for signing up dito sa NOLA SMS Pro. So my name is Norwin Lacson and I'm the founder of NOLA SMS Pro. So I just want to show you paano natin ni-install after you sign up. So definitely you will go to the thank you page after. So this is the thank you page. So pag nakita nyo na to, you just need to click this one or you can try to read this guide. This is our documentation. So first, ano yung kailangan yung gawin is install the application. So just click this install application and then mag-open up yung marketplace natin. So by the way, as of this time, hindi pa siya available sa marketplace. So if you're trying to search there, hindi nyo pa siya makikita. So this is a private link right now. So I just need to click install, select agency view, and then install. And then you need to log in if you're not logged in yet. So magla-login lang ako sa and then just select sa specific agency no on my end. So let's say this one, CRM, no? Yun yung isa-select ko. And then so since meron na akong naka-install sub accounts, so ganito yung you just see install here. So click install to more sub account and then pipili lang dito. So in this case, example, itong sub account na to yung i-installan ko, NOLA SMS Pro. So i-check nyo lang and then click continue and then allow and install sa bottom right. So hintayin lang natin ng kaunti while it's installing, no. And then there will be a window, pop-up window na kailangan nating fill upan. So yung magiging account natin sa NOLA SMS Pro. So in this case, just write my name and then support nolasmspro.com 0203. So and then just write your own password. So dito, so reviewin nyo lang, make sure na yung sa agree and then create account. So hintayin lang natin ng kaunti to load it up, no. And then once tapos na to, dashboard. So if you are a user, wala kang access dun sa agency, baka pupunta lang siya sa different link, no. Pero in this case, so continue to dashboard ko lang. Ayan. So makikita nyo siya na dumiretso siya dito sa sub account ko. And then may makikita na kayong NOLA SMS Pro dun sa baba. So this will be the dashboard of NOLA SMS Pro, no. So ano yung next? Next is we need to apply sender ID. Yung sender ID, yun yung magiging pinaka-number natin, no. So yun yung makikita nila sa mga SMS nila. So right after, so ito makikita nyo. So mag-apply ako ng sender ID dito. Let's say for example, by the way, sender ID, no, minimum of 3, maximum of 11 letters, no. So in this case, let's say NOLA SMS Pro namin. So I'll just write test. Pero on your end, please write a purpose and write the business messages, no. And then upload kayo ng mga documents. So if you are a sole proprietor, so DTI, BIR, business permit, and ID, no, personal ID, please upload. Kapag naman corporation, so medyo marami yung list natin eh, ilan yung sa corporate, I can communicate with you. Pero ilalagay din namin dito, i-update namin itong form na to. So, and then submit nyo lang after, no? So, pagka-submit nyo ng sender ID sa account settings, no? Account settings, sender ID. So, makikita nyo dito na pending pa, no? By default, ito yung sender ID natin right now. So, you have a 10 free credits, no? So yung credits, how it works is the same with other Twilio and lead connector, no? 160 character equals to 1 credit yung binabawas niya. So kapag more than 160, it will deduct 2 credits. So ganun siya. Kung we will not sa admin side, no, ma-notify kami for your application and then i-apply namin together with your documents, no. It takes around 3 to 7 days. Depende, no? Wala rin kaming control doon. Yung pag-approve is nasa mga telco din, no? Sila yung nag-a-approve ng mga sender IDs natin. So next important steps na gawin nyo, no, while waiting for this one, if you are an agency owner, yung gawin mo is punta ka sa settings after mo ma-install, no. Punta ka sa settings and then go to phone number, click this additional settings. So, ikaw lang yung nakakakita dito if you are an agency owner. So, make sure yung telephony provider is ma-click mo yung NOLA SMS default provider and then save it. So ito yung magti-trigger na i-connect natin yung native integration doon sa conversation at saka doon sa send SMS papuntang workflow, no. Pero kapag ikaw naman ay user lang, no, hindi mo hawak yung agency, number one, try to ask agency, no, to set yung part na yon. Pero kapag hindi talaga kaya, so meron namang alternative to send a message. Punta lang kayo dito sa dashboard. So dito yung pagsasend nyo ng message. And then in terms of the workflow naman, paano kayo magsasend ng workflow? Yung workflow is meron tayong alternative din na pwedeng gawin, no? So like for example, dito is create tayo ng workflow. So by default, kapag meron kang access as agency, this one will work, the send SMS, no, as is. And then magagamit yung sender ID natin. Kapag naman user ka lang at wala kang access sa agency at you were not able to talk, no, dun sa agency owner, hindi mo napaset yung telephony provider, so search nyo lang NOLA, and then there will be a send PH SMS. Just ignore this one, hindi naman to. So send PH SMS, same din siya, no? Palitan nyo lang tong sender ID. So by default kasi nakaset yung NOLA CRM, pero whatever yung sender ID nyo, iset nyo lang dito, or probably pwede nyo set as custom value, and then test nyo lang dito. So save mo lang para magamit nyo dun sa workflow. So overall, ganun lang siya. In terms of the dashboard, you can explore it. So by default, right now, I am giving 500 for those founding member, no? 500 credits per month. Pero in case na sobrang dami na ng SMS nyo per month, so all you need to do sa account settings, no, dito sa credits, so you can select a specific number of credits dito and then i-buy nyo lang. So pwede kayong mag-transact dito. And then for the next month siya into 500. So if you have any question, you may email us, no, dun sa support at nolasmspro.com. So if you have any question or any issues na encounter nyo, email nyo lang kami, or you can send a message dun sa Facebook ng NOLA CRM, no? And then we're happy to answer any inquiries. So again, thank you so much, and you will be a big part, no, dito sa SMS, NOLA SMS Pro as we continue to develop this one. Bago lang to, and hopefully this will be the first in the Philippines, no, pwedeng magamit ng mga business owners natin, no. So again, maraming salamat, and let me know